why we're seeing infrastructure becoming more and more of an issue, and this question of aging infrastructure, is because we are reaching actually the end of the design lives of many of these assets. One of the big areas of research that we've been doing in my group is looking at the interdependencies between different infrastructure systems. And so we've definitely identified that the interdependencies are one of the largest reasons why you have these types of cascading failures across systems. There's a lot of different actions that we can take to try to improve the resilience of infrastructure systems. We looked at things like adding backups at certain assets, critical assets. So that involves identifying your critical nodes in your network, identifying which parts are your biggest pain points or might have the biggest potential cascading effects through the network, and then finding solutions for backups or redundancies to be able to provide continued service at these critical assets. And then we've also looked at things like new infrastructure type solutions. So on the flooding side as well, we've looked at different green or gray infrastructure solutions, how that might provide a community with decreased flood risk, but then also increased other community benefits with increased green space or increased access to these types of green spaces. There's really a lot of benefits to be gained with having a longer term planning. So having resources to be able to do longer term planning to say what types of systems do we want 10, 20, 30 years from now, and building out assets, building out capabilities in your system to meet those long-term goals would be really beneficial for infrastructure systems.